The Lakers taking on the Suns. And now we're getting close to panic time for LA and LeBron. The playoffs are in danger. They're going down to the Suns tonight. The Suns, they're tanking. They're trying to get Williamson. They've only got 12 wins going into this game in the season. You're supposed to win this. The Lakers have lost 3 games they were supposed to win. They surprised us. They beat the Rockets, so right now they would have had 33 wins. They'd be ahead of the Kings. They'd be 2 games behind the Clippers and the Spurs, but wow, tonight is just pathetic. There's no excuse. Brandon Ingram, another slam. He had a pretty good game. LeBron had a good game as well. 27 points, 16 assists, 9 rebounds, a near triple-double, but it's the Suns. They're running in transition. Josh Jackson throws down the lob one-handed. You can't allow a team that's tanking to play like this against you. Another steal, and Oubre is going to go for the slam. And look at LeBron. Normally he goes for chase downs. That time, that was like a weak swipe. And then Ayton is going to get the slam going the other way. Now Devin Booker drives baseline, no resistance as he makes the layup. Look at that lead. They're down by 15, the Lakers, in a must-win game. This is embarrassing. Lakers fans, let us know in the comment section, what do you think about your chances of making the playoffs now? I can't believe this because I believe they were going to make it. Now I've got some doubts. This is really bad because to end the season, they're going to have to win all the games they're supposed to win. But then they're going to have to win some of these tough games too because now they're in a hole. Unbelievable. Oh, I just wasted an ankle breaker. You can't do that in All-Star Weekend. Oh, I got another one. No! That's a murder. Wow, I lifted off from way back there. I don't think I've ever taken off from there to slam it. That is crazy. One.